What is it?
The lizard.
Where? You leave the baby there while running.
Did you see it?
No. Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Why? I locked your stroller.
I know, but still, I'm not gonna. We are in Wappapello Lake with my babies, while Brian is on his grandma, great grandma, and grandpa. See, this is a new one. They just built it, but I don't know when. But it was 2 years ago. It wasn't here, huh, baby?
Yeah, it wasn't here 2 years ago. Last year. So we do know. Sometime last
Say, yeah. But this is it. This is a long. What is it?
It's 2.5 miles long.
Is it 2? Is that what Dad said? Where you can walk. This is the Wappapello Lake. Oh, look, there's a boat. Look. Oh, I am proud to be American.
Or at least we used to be.
We used to be. Baby, a lot of people are gonna be like, what? Be offended because of what you said. Yeah, but you know there is lefties.
Somebody balanced rocks down there.
Oh yeah, you know, like they said. I guess that one. Oh, see, it's a balance rock. Yeah. Let me see if it. I don't know. I can zoom it out. See, there's another pathway. I think that one is you can. It was used to be a swimming area. That one right there.
Maybe.
Cause there's a pathway.
Oh yeah.
And there's a cup. And there's a cup hiding on a tree. For the speeders.
I wonder if they're gonna do anything right there.
I think so. Yeah. It looks like it.
Maybe one day.
Oh, it's beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Look at that lake, so beautiful, but it's dirty at the same time. Maybe the one on, close to the land. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to do the jogging here. You know that?
Well, nobody's jogging.
I know, but it feels so good to go do jogging here. Nah.
Said it feels so good, not that I wanted to.
But it is good. You know, like people are athletes. You can come here, do your training and stuff like that. Because this is what 2.5 long. Today. Let's walk. So there's a fish down there, living down there?
Yeah, it's like the water. Fish everywhere, water.
That big catfish that they can...
Catfish, perch, piranhas.
Your face?
Yeah, there's big old catfish down there. There's people tell a story.
So what is the story?
Catfish right down in that area that are so big
that it can
could eat a human.
That's what your dad said, huh?
Yeah, and also my grandpa.
Are you sure? Do you think there's still a catfish in there? Like,
I don't know.
Do you think they're still alive? How deep is that dam in there?
Not sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I'm not sure.
Why you're so mean to me? Oh, I thought that was an island. But it's not. Well, yeah, it's not.
Well, I mean it is, but not that small of one.
Yeah, I mean, you know, that an island that don't connect, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So that if there is a zombie outbreak, we can just
They're-
swim down there and then just...
They're island boys. Just trying to.
tunnel. So tell me the story about this tunnel, baby. It used to be a water...
This tunnel used to never be here.
I used...
So the story behind it is because the bridge collapsed.
Oh, okay. For real?
Yeah.
So tell me why...
Why what?
Nothing. An old dam, huh?
Yeah.
It collapses like 10 to 15 years ago. Tell me the story of Wappapello. How this lake become a lake. Tell me the story of your grandpa. Said when you used to fishing here.
with him.
Yeah. What did he say about Wappapello Lake? How does it made?
In the early 1900s, I'm not sure exactly what year. Maybe even as early as the 1800s. There used to be a town somewhere down in there. The town's still there.
So the town is still there,
Yeah.
and
In the army,
U.S. Army.
yeah, the U.S. Army came and made the whole town evacuate so they could flood the area. They broke down the dam that used to be down. I don't know exactly where it was, but they broke it down so it could all flood into here and become known as what is
Wappapello Lake.
Wappapello.
So no wonder, huh?
Yeah.
That
Some of the
how deep is this again?
Some of the water can reach depths of 60 plus feet deep.
Oh, that's a... And then the divers.
Oh, yeah. The new dam, well, it's not new now. It was built in the 1940s. The spillway right next to it, where the biggest catfish in this whole lake live. The divers had to go down there to do repair to the dam, and they saw the catfish and said that they were about 12 to 14 feet long, big enough to swallow
A person.
a person. And he,
So catfish don't have a lifespan then, huh?
no, they live until they get killed by whatever. By
But they,
sickness or
but-
by a predator.
but they are the predators in this lake. I'm scared. Makes me scared.
Why?
I don't know. Makes me scared to be in the water now
Well, those fish don't move.
on this lake.
They don't move around.
Oh, they don't.
That's why they're at the dam. They're lazy. They let the food come to them.
Oh, so they live on the dam,
Yeah.
closer to the dam, so that smart one. So, yeah. So this is the new path.